All right, y'all, so another quick video, basically giving you a before and after case study on a harmonic pattern that we took advantage of this past week with US30. This was the before of the pattern, and you see it's May 3rd 2022 when I actually snapshotted this image via TradingView, and our target point was this blue PRZ zone within this actual range. I just kind of just drew this and shot it up there, but this was the target point within this range, right? So, you know, today, actually not today, I think that's the 5th, yesterday. So it took place yesterday. Let me see, let me go to the actual results. Let's pull the results. So this is exactly what happened. So notice how it did exactly what was drawn out, based on what I predicted. It shot up into this zone, so it kind of peaked out of that range and it shot right back down. This was May 5th 2022, so it pretty much took like 2 days for it to play out. I just snapshotted this morning, or even not this morning, but a little bit after the morning, where I noticed that it actually played out like I wanted it to. So as it was doing all of this, liquidity was being built, liquidity being built above and below. So it was just kind of shaky, kind of shaking some hands, and then it shot up. Used news. This is when the whole I think it was FMOC news took off from news, and then it came back down. So this right here was a solid move that was seen prior to it happening. So yes, this was predicted. So now we can, so a lot of people will say, oh, harmonics this, harmonics that. Like I said, if you know how to use harmonics correctly, then you'll get some solid trades. If you could trade however you want, but this is just another tool in your belt. So I trade everything, from harmonics to institutional order flow, smart money concepts, everything. I can see trend lines if I want to draw them, market structure like support resistance if I want to draw that, supply and demand if I want to draw that, breakouts I can see. Like I'm well versed all around. So this is just a beautiful sight for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love seeing my harmonics play out, and this was just beautiful to me. Like, it was just beautiful during a time of uncertainty where a lot of people didn't know exactly what was gonna happen. It ran straight up here. So now this is what was posted in the Discord channel. You can't see. I don't want you to see what's in here because these right here is basically I was just explaining exactly what was going on and why it was gonna do what I expected it to do, but I can't give you that because it's classified information. So this is what within the Discord you see 5322. So like I said, if you're trading and you cannot, you don't have the confidence to predict a move, then you got to go back to the drawing board. Right? So what I'm saying, like, so this was this is the before, and this is when I just noticed it. I think I was at a doctor's office, and I screenshotted my phone, and I was like, I just noticed a sharp. I posted from before it played out perfectly, and this was on May 6th. This was today, 10 a.m. 51 a.m. I noticed that it actually played out, even though it played out yesterday. Right? So I'm literally just giving out gems like, hey, take this trade. You know what I'm saying? Take this trade. If you take it, you good. If not, whatever. We move on. We find other harmonic patterns to play with. So yeah, see, real life foresight. So because they saw me post this before it actually happened, right? So this was just beautiful play. I just want to kind of show, you feel me? Like, a lot of people, you know, they'll talk all kind of trash not knowing how to trade this stuff, but you know, I'm trading this is what I do, you know what I'm saying? So if you have any questions, this is the live chart right now though. Hold on, let me pull up the live chart. This is a live chart. I still have everything marked up. So I still have everything marked up. This is what's going on now. I'm not going to give you any hints on what is expected to happen. I know what's expected to happen. I dropped it in the Discord as well. So beautiful play. Very, very beautiful play. Yeah, so if you have any questions, if you want to, you know, set up a one-on-one, hit me up. Listen, grab your free market structure course or video, free market structure video, and hold on, free market structure video. All you had to do is click the link in the description for the free market structure video. If you just want a free video, no cost to you. And then if you want to get the Harmonics course, that's also available in the description below. As always, happy trading. You know, this week was kind of, you know, it kind of played around a lot this week, but you know, we capitalized off of the moves that needed to be capitalized off of, you know what I'm saying? So today, the week started out on the 1st to 2nd. So it kind of started off shaky from this point, around like this point to this point. So it didn't really make too many crazy, like any deep moves this week, which was okay. You know what I'm saying? I'll take it. It's whatever. But this was the only thing it did this entire week. So all it did was shot up and came right back down to continue doing what it was supposed to do anyway. So all of this right here was news driven, and it's just corrected itself. So yeah, let's get it, man. Let's keep going with this. Big fish. If you have questions, let me know. Want to schedule one-on-one, let me know. If you want the Harmonic course, let me know. There's more courses that's going to be dropped, and also the group, access to the group that may be open soon, but it might be sold out almost indefinitely. Honestly, private group is like the Illuminati, but but nah, let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Big fish, let's go.